Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jana and welcome back to my channel. I have something very exciting here to make, and this is a learn to crochet kit. It's for beginners, and if I'm not mistaken, I have this to make a cat. I purchased this on Temu. I don't remember how much I paid, but I did get it on Temu. It's supposed to have all of them and the materials included. It looks like a number 6 yarn. Let's open this up. We'll find out if this is really for beginners and if it's true, if everything is included. Let's open this up. This is everything. This here is the cat that I ordered. So we'll see if this is what we're getting. Also, do you think we have enough yarn? I hope so. I love this yarn. It's so soft. We've got our filler, and we have our handicraft crochet kit for beginner pamphlet. It tells you how to do all of the different stitches and everything you need to know. And I'm looking for the instructions. Did I miss it? Oh, the instructions are on the back. No? Okay, so you've got some videos for the technique and each stitch and technique. So we do have included stitch markers, needle, and this is a 6mm crochet hook. And also these are the eyes. Now I still don't have the instructions. Where is it? I think they forgot the instructions. I will need to contact them and see if I can get the instructions from them, but it did not come with the kit. I don't see it anywhere. So hopefully I'll be able to find it.
Over 1 month later.
It's now been a month and no luck with the crochet pattern. I finally found where the crochet pattern is. It's on the back side of this. It's this QR code. Step-by-step PDF, and next to it is the tutorial video. This shows you how to do the stitches, not the pattern. The pattern is here. Unfortunately, this QR code does not work. I tried it a few times and I can't get to the pattern. I can't get to the step-by-step. I get an error message. I went to the Temu website to find out who was the manufacturer or who sold this kit, and there's really nothing. There's no like contact information of the seller. I did leave a negative feedback. If you go check, there's no negative feedback of me, so I don't know why Temu does this. It chooses which feedback to show, and that's it. This is something negative I don't like about Temu. Now, if you look at the package, I was able to find some information here, and I did find an email address. I emailed them twice. This is the email, and I never got back. I don't know if it's a good email address, if this is the manufacturer, and I did not get any information. I sent them pictures of the error message that I did not receive the manual. I couldn't do the crochet kit. Finally, I requested a refund from Temu, which I did get. That's a good thing. So I still have my 6mm crochet hook, which is pretty good, and also all the yarn and everything that came with it. But I really wanted to do this little cat. So right now what I'm doing is I'm trying to find a cat to crochet a free pattern online. Even though I have to pay a few bucks, I would like to do something with this yarn, a cat, 3-colored cat that resembles this. This is what I'm looking for. So if any one of you has something similar that you want to share with me, my email address is in the description down below. So what do I think about the experience? I don't like it. I started to buy less and less on Temu because of this. I don't really rely on the reviews on Temu because of my experience, because I did place a review. You cannot find my review there. I don't even know how many people that received this could not access the pattern, and they still sell this pattern. So I'm just wondering, did I not receive a good card? Why is the manufacturer not returning my emails with the correct PDF information, where to find it? I hope this was helpful for you if you decide to continue purchasing from Temu, especially if you're not getting what you want. I understand that I was refunded by Temu, but it's not. I would have rather received what I paid for. I really wanted this cat. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day.